Let's make some embroidery art for our junk journal today. Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January of 2026. Let's grab our junk journals and get creative together. For day 26 we have the prompt of handmade, and I decided to get inspired by some of your lovely comments for I think it was the prompt of mood, where I did the sewing machine doodles in a way, and you all told me about that or a few of you, that you remade it with hand, and I really wanted to do that for the handmade theme of the junk journal prompt, and decided to just go in with some embroidery floss and embroider this catalog picture. I have done this before. I think it's now like over 10 years ago. Yeah, I think over 10 years ago I did quite a lot of those embroidered photography things, and I really stopped with that. I don't really know why, but I loved it back then, so I'm really happy that I can pick it back up today and just have some fun with it, and finally getting my creative juices flowing again after the last 2 days where I was a bit tired and needed some rest. And in a way, the rest from yesterday and the day before kind of worked, so now I'm just excited again to create, and I'm just struggling a bit with the needle to get the embroidery floss into the needle. Was a bit of a pain, but now we are ready to go. And when I embroider some paper, I like to pre-poke the holes so that I don't have to pull on the paper too much, because I'm always a bit scared that I would rip the page. So I decided to poke the holes beforehand, then now I can just slightly go back in with the needle and the twine. And I did decide to make like a little bit of a choker or something, and just add a few different elements to the motif. And I'm really happy with how today's spread turned out, and I feel like I tried to pick some colors that would match the colors of the map on the other side of the junk journal spread, and I feel like that pulled the whole spread together in a way that makes it look cohesive, which is really nice. And I'm really happy with how today's spread turned out. So back is the creativity for the final days of the Junk Journal January challenge, I guess. So I'm really excited for the last few prompts to come, and I'm happy that it finally is kind of feeling like the creativity is flowing again. It just is so much more fun creating from a place of inspiration than creating from a place of feeling stuck and exhausted in a way. So it's kind of a balancing act when you do a longer challenge like this, but I feel like I'm really happy that I pushed through, and also in a way allowed myself to make some not so complicated spreads the other days, so that now I'm back on track and I'm ready to go for the final days. Yeah, like I said, I'm really happy with the outcome of today's spread. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this handmade embroidery spread as much as I am, and I hope you had fun with me in this creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating!